Hello everyone! Today I want to show you how to make a pattern for a dress with dolman sleeves and side details instead of side seams. You may think that such design is not popular now because you can't see such dresses in shops. It's not the case. The reason is that such dresses are sold only in very expensive shops. The design is not well known, so I decided to show it to you. I'm going to show you how to make a dress with dolman sleeves and side details. First, I want to show you everything I have in front of me. Have a look at this necklace. I loved it so much that I bought it without any doubts. When I came home, I realized that I don't have any suitable clothes. This is why I'm making this dress. I bought this piece of cotton. I decided that the color is beautiful, but it looks too boring alone. This is why I decided to buy this piece of cotton. It matches the first piece, but at the same time it combines different patterns and colors. I think that the necklace looks amazing with these two fabrics. I'll be working with my basic pattern. I've already traced the front and the back to a piece of tracing paper. I made the pattern of the needed length. These are the front and the back from my basic pattern. I haven't changed anything. The only thing I changed was the length. The original bottom was here. You already know how to make a pattern longer. I've added 42 centimeters. Now I can move my basic pattern aside. I traced the sleeve pattern too. Let's have a look at the sketch. Dolman sleeves. The neckline is not too deep. Side details. There will be a seam on the center back. Even though I'm going to make side details, I still need to make chest darts. On the center front there will be a detail made of different fabric. I don't want to make any small details, bindings and so on. This detail on the front will be very stylish. First I want to tell you about the difference between the regular dolman sleeves and the ones combined with side details. Regular dolman sleeves are very simple. It's not hard to make them. You need just a couple of measurements to do it. Dolman sleeves with side details are not that loose. Sleeves in such dresses look like regular set-in ones, just with different lines. Wearing this dress, you will feel not like in a dress with dolman sleeves, but like in a dress with set-in sleeves. I will show you how to make this dress on the basis of the basic pattern. You can make such dress and decorate it with lace. You can make an everyday dress. You can make a summer or a winter dress using this pattern. I'm making a cotton dress so that I can wear it throughout the whole year. I think that this detail on the front will make the dress look amazing. The necklace will match the dress perfectly. Now I can move everything aside so that I can start working. I'll show you that it's not hard to make a pattern for this dress. These are the front and the back. I haven't changed anything. I just made the pattern longer. The details are straight. This is the sleeve. I haven't changed it either. This is how it looks like now. First, I'll be working with the front and the back. I think that it's easier for you to work with patterns now. First, I need to make the armhole 1.5 centimeters deeper. Be very attentive. When changing armholes, pay special attention to this part. Don't cut too much here. The front should be made deeper and more round. I remind you that you can't make armholes wider, just deeper. The armhole should be of the right shape. Have a look at mine. I made the armhole 1.5 centimeters deeper. Have a look at the way I did it. You can make armholes deeper, but not wider. Now I can cut the extra detail. Be very attentive. I put a piece of fabric under the pattern for you to see everything clearly. You asked me not to put white paper in the white table. I need to make the back neckline 2.5 centimeters wider and deeper.
Не сильно открытое платье, но тем не менее, и нельзя, чтобы оно было прямо в шею мне впивалось сзади. Я это не выношу.
The best thing to do next is to match the shoulders to make them even. I'll make the front neckline 2.5 centimeters wider and 13 centimeters deeper. I'll draw a line this way. I'm tired of round necklines, so I decided to make such one. Have a look at it at the sketch. I hope that everything is clear so far. You can make the front neckline as deep as you want. It's up to you. Take a measuring tape, put as beginning of the neck base, and measure how deep you want the neckline to be. I'll cut the back neckline too. The front is ready. The back is ready. You may say that they're not, and you would be right. Anyway, I'll get back to them later. I can move them aside and move on to the sleeve. The sleeves will be 35 centimeters long. They will end a bit below elbows. I will make the sleeve a bit tighter at the bottom. Have a look here. Don't cut this part, only the bottom. If you cut anything here, you won't be able to put a sleeve on. I want to make the sleeves 1.5 centimeters deeper as well. Notice how I'm doing it. I'm not changing the width. I need to make the front side 7 or 8 millimeters deeper. Don't cut more. This is how the sleeve looks like now. Next I need to fold it in half and cut a dart here. Just like in raglan sleeves. It should be about 7 centimeters long and 1.5 centimeters wide. Next I need to cut the sleeve in half to the end. I need to sign that this is the front detail and this is the back one. Sign all the details. It makes your work so much easier. I cut this detail because I don't need to gather the sleeve. This is the front. I need to take a front sleeve detail and attach it to the armhole. I've already showed you how to do it. Have a look here. You already know how to attach these details to the armholes. You can do it this way. There shouldn't be a big opening here. Don't do it this way either. Try to attach it in such a way that these openings are even. This is very important. These openings should be even. Very nice.
Дальше.
Next, I need to do the same thing with the back.
Рукав к спинке.
Attach the details to each other in such way that the openings are even.
Спинке. Точно так же. Вот эти
This is very important.
прикладываем. Вот такие свободные
I watched a lot of different tutorials on how to make such dresses. The techniques they show are very complicated.
На полочке.
What should we do next? Next, we need to draw 2 marks on each detail.
Точки, через
We
которые
will need these points in future work.
Первая
The first mark should be drawn here, in the point where the sleeve crosses the pattern. Here it is. I'll sign that this is the checkpoint. Next mark should be drawn in the point where the sleeve ends. I'll move this point 1 cm to be able to make the sleeve wider. The 2 points are ready. Next, I need to do the same thing with the back. This is the first checkpoint. And this is the second one. I'll move it a bit further. There is nothing complicated left to be done. Next, I will continue working with this pattern. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Irina. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, and press the like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.